What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy Omar Fabs. Today we're not going to be working on my truck or any of my trucks. And before anything, guys, beforehand, I know I lied. I said 2 weeks. For those that see my last video, I know I said 2 weeks, but guys, I've been working, I've been using my truck, and I cannot take it apart just like that because tools in the back. I cannot just take it apart just like that because it's gonna be down for at least a week, minimum a week, but I'll say 2-3 because unless I don't go to work, then I'll put in that extra time during the week. Like today, I didn't go to work. It's a Friday. But anyways, guys, today we're gonna be working on my car. A while back, I had a little incident, and I was driving down the freeway, the highway, and this lady hit me with her truck. She was hauling a big old RV, and me pegó tas y me raspó mi carro y me jodió los bumpers. I lost my, what is it called? Under cage, the plastic that covers the motor underneath. It messed up all that stuff. I don't know what happened. Like it was just bad. Y se me rompieron los bumper clips on the side, so they don't really clip no more. Y no se atora. So we're gonna fix it with these things I ordered online. Let me show you guys real quick. I forgot the name of them, but aquí estas cositas you put in like that. I'm pretty sure you guys seen them on those easy release. Yeah, there you go, easy release clips, some shit like that. My bad, some crap. Ahí está, el otro va aquí adentro y ya con eso te va a ayudar para que el bumper no esté ahí flopping around. Let me show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. You guys see? I'm pretty sure when I'm driving fast, it'll be flopping like that. I'll be looking like that, guys. That is wild, bro, but I don't give a crap. I have cool trucks. So anyways, but today is a day I decided, today, like I said, I didn't work, so I decided to make a video and just to post something. Nothing major, but I'm gonna show you guys how it's done, and let's get to it. So guys, what you guys need to do is get a little drill, a bit. Where's the bit I have? Oh, right here. I'm gonna start with a smaller one, and then I will get to the bigger size. Aquí las traigo las tools. You guys are gonna need a socket, número 10, number 10, and of course the ratchet from the hood. Some people use tape. Let's do that. Just so like that, you won't chip your paint on metal. And let's get to it, guys. Let's get to drilling. First, what you want to do is get your drill, set it on drill mode where the bit is, put the bit inside, tight it, and get to drilling. And that's how it gets done, guys. Ya terminamos un lado. See, y vamos a hacer el otro. Now that I did one side, now I can measure it, and what I did is put it right in the middle right here between this, the edge and this screw right here. That's the línea. I'm gonna put it in the middle, and it was around 1 inch. So you grab your tape and mark 1 inch. And that's what I did. And for this side right here, it was 1.5 inches. If you guys want to make it a little more tight, or you guys don't have to do 1.5, you guys can do 2 inches or 1 3/4, and that will make it super tight. But the reason I didn't do it too tight is because with the sun, se va a poner aguado y se va a echar a perder cuando está muy estirado. It's just like a rubber band. So you cannot really be putting it too tight, but it's your choice. That was it, guys. This is it for this video. It's a short one, small one, nothing fun, but easy to do. For those that have a floppy, let me get this sweater off. For those that have a floppy bumper, like I do, then you guys know how to fix it. So if you guys really want to buy those things, I think they're called easy release bumper clips. There is better ones, but I chose those because I don't know why. I like that little purple, how it has two. And the other ones are a little different. But guys, like I said, this was a small video. And hopefully when this summer is almost over and those rainy days start showing up, we might start working on my F-150. I know I talked about it so many times, but I just have not had the time. Entonces, hasta ahí llegó este video. Gracias por todo, guys, and keep on watching.